If you're someone who loves reading on the go, there's a brand new gadget that might grab your attention. It's called the XTEINK X4 Pro, and unlike most e-readers, this one is incredibly small. In fact, it's so compact that it can easily fit into your pocket and even attach to the back of your phone using built-in magnets. But does being this tiny actually make it a better reading device? Let's take a closer look. The first thing you'll notice is its size. The XTEINK X4 Pro is just 5.95 millimeters thick and weighs only 72 grams. That's much lighter than a typical Kindle or most other e-readers on the market. The idea here is simple. You can carry it everywhere without needing a bag. Whether you're waiting for a train, sitting in a cafe, or taking a quick break at work, you can pull it out and read a few pages without getting distracted by social media or notifications on your phone. Even though it's small, XTEINK hasn't stripped away useful features. The device has a 4.3-inch e-ink touchscreen, physical page turn buttons, and even a circular home button that gives it a bit of a retro look. It also includes an adjustable front light, so reading at night or in dim lighting shouldn't be a problem. If you're someone who prefers pressing real buttons instead of constantly tapping the screen, that's definitely a nice touch. Now, there is one important limitation you should know before buying it. The XTEINK X4 Pro only supports DRM-free ebooks. That means you can read EPUB and MOBI files that don't have digital restrictions. But if you've built up a large Kindle library or regularly borrow books through apps like Libby, those books probably won't work on this device. For some readers, that could be a deal breaker. But if your collection is already DRM-free, importing books is simple. You can transfer them wirelessly through the XTEINK app or connect the device with a USB cable. The app also lets you organize your library, upload custom wallpapers, and even install your favorite fonts to personalize the reading experience. Battery life should also be respectable thanks to its 1,100 mAh battery, and storage won't be a major concern either. It comes with 16 gigabytes of built-in storage, and if you need more space, you can expand it with a microSD card up to 256 gigabytes. That's enough room for thousands of ebooks. One interesting design choice is the charging system. Because the device is so thin, it doesn't have a built-in USB-C charging port. Instead, you use the included magnetic charging adapter. While that helps keep the design sleek, it also means you'll need to remember to carry the special charging cable with you. If you lose it, charging becomes a little less convenient. At a price of around $99, the XTEINK X4 Pro competes with entry-level Kindles. So the big question is whether its ultra-portable design is worth choosing over a larger e-reader with broader ebook support. If portability is your top priority and you mainly read DRM-free books, the X4 Pro offers something genuinely different from almost anything else on the market. But if your reading library is tied to Amazon Kindle or public library services, you may find its compatibility too limiting. Overall, the XTEINK X4 Pro isn't trying to replace every e-reader. Instead, it's designed for a specific type of reader, someone who wants a lightweight, distraction-free device that's always ready to slip into a pocket. It may not be perfect for everyone, but for the right user, it could become a favorite everyday companion. So, what do you think about the XTEINK X4 Pro? Is its incredibly small size enough to make you switch from your current e-reader, or would you rather stick with a traditional Kindle?